Hey everyone, Tom from Total Function and Balance. Bird dogs are not just for hunting. The bird dog I'm about to show you is an awesome exercise for working the stabilizer muscles in the core. So, to do the bird dog, we're simply going to get down on all four. Hands under shoulders, knees hip width apart. And then what we're going to do, we want a nice straight line from the bottom of our bum up to our shoulders. And our head should be aligned with our shoulders as well. So there should be a slight slope there. If I stuck a bar back there, it should be pretty much a straight line. Then what we're going to do is we're going to raise an arm out and lift the leg straight up. And you're just going to hold. And then down. And repeat on the other side. Up, hold, and down. A nice simple exercise. Works the muscles of the core. Also happens to be a side effect is it works the gluteus pretty good as well. If you want to firm up that tush, that's a way to do it. Thanks and have a great day.